Oh, no, 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 no.
Welcome back to my channel. It's Candace, aka Curls Like Candy, and I'm back with another tutorial for you guys during this quarantine. I decided to do just a simple style, which is 2 cornrows, 2 braids, whatever you want to call them. I also used the Outre braid hair that I used in my last video. I didn't really like it, but I wanted to go ahead and use what I had left. So I was like, I'll just do this simple style. And of course, I always have to add a little razzle dazzle to my style. So I decided to do an ombre of the 1B in 613. Now, before I get into this video, let me tell y'all what I did. Okay, so I thought I was going to be showing you guys a clip-ins video, showing you guys how to style some clip-ins that I thought I bought. So I thought I was going to be showing you guys how to style clip-ins. Mind you, I had already prepped my hair, y'all. I braided my hair down, thinking I was about to style it for clip-ins. Well, lo and behold, I didn't order clip-ins. I ordered tracks.
You stupid.
So this video is a result of that fail. I was frustrated, y'all. I wanted to just quit. I wasn't even going to do the video, but then I was like, you know what? Just move on to the next style that you had planned, Candace. It's not a big deal. It's not going to take you that long. So this is what we have, and now we're here. So that's what went into this video. For y'all's pleasure, I'm gonna include the clip of me finding out that I did not in fact have clip-ins, but I had tracks for sewing. So yeah, I mean, of course I could have installed the clips on the tracks myself too, but I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to go ahead and do my little style, you know, do my thing. But whatever. So here is the tutorial for these 2 braids, you guys. Thanks for coming to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video.
Oh, no, 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 no.